Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Do you need to create professional invoice without expensive software? Let's use Google Sheet to craft a customized invoice effortlessly. To do that, just open your Google Sheets from your phone. Now tap on this plus icon to create a blank sheet. Now in the first row, input the headers like invoice number, date, client name, amount, so etc. Then adjust the column width, height, or something related that as you want. So after that, you just need to fill the information in the rows with the invoice detail. And if you want, then you can enhance the design by adding border or doing more things to make it more personalized, or you can add a logo to personalize the invoice. Then just save and share this, or you can download this as a PDF and then share it with your client's email address. So that's how you can easily create a detailed invoice using Google Sheets, and it's free and flexible tool for all your invoicing needs. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.